Assalamualaikum students, welcome to our channel Study Time. Here the topic we are going to discuss today is oxidation and reduction. It is a very important topic as sometimes it becomes difficult to remember at which part does oxidation occur, at which electrode does oxidation occur, and at which electrode does reduction occur. I have made a very simple and easy word for you that will surely help you to remember at which electrode does reduction occur and at which electrode does oxidation occur. The word you have to remember, I'm going to tell you, is red cat. This is a very easy word you can surely remember. Red stands for reduction and cat stands for cathode, which means that reduction occurs at cathode, and definitely by this you will remember that oxidation occurs at anode. This is a very easy way through which you can remember at which part does reduction occur and at which electrode does oxidation occur. I told the word was red cat, red for reduction and cat for cathode, which means that reduction occurs at the electrode that is cathode and oxidation will occur at an electrode that is anode, and you will surely remember it. The next thing I'm going to discuss with you is that we know that oxidation occurs at oxidation is the loss of electrons and reduction is the gain of electrons. Now, how to remember it? I will tell you a word which you have to remember. Now, the first word that I am going to tell you is OIL. That is oil. Oil is the loss of electrons. How do you know? O stands for oxidation, I stands for is, and L stand for the loss of electrons. The word I told you was oil. This word, oil. O stands for oxidation, I for is, and L for the loss of electrons. By this word oil, you can easily remember that oxidation means the loss of electrons. Now, how will you remember that reduction is the gain of electrons? This is very simple to remember. Another word that I'm going to tell you is, just see this. It surely will help you. The word is RIG. RIG is the word, which is rig. This word is very easy to remember and will surely help you. What does this word stand for? R for reduction, I for is, and G stands for what? It's so easy. G stands for the gain of electrons. It's so easy to remember. It's surely easy and it will surely help you. The first thing I discussed with you was that at which electrode will reduction occur. That is for red cat. That reduction occurs at cathode and oxidation at anode. The next thing I discussed with you was oil. The word oil, that oxidation for O, I for is, and L for the loss of electrons. Alright. And the next thing I discussed with you was rig, RIG. R for reduction, I for is, and G for the gain of electrons. I hope you liked my video. Please do share it, subscribe our channel, and do like our video. Thanks for watching our video.